Yes, this is Jenny. Yeah, from the oil company, yeah? Yeah. Was it today? Oh, I didn't know that. Sorry. Oh, I didn't check with my secretary. I've been very busy and you can excuse me on that. Yeah, but we can reschedule tomorrow and then we discuss on how we can fund that company. Yeah. Of course, it's in 60% for me. Okay, thank you very much. Who's that?
It's me, madam.
Oh, come in.
Thank you. Madam, you have some documents from doing the company. They have sent for you this letter.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
So, tell me, what's the...
Yes, there's this document they have given. Please, you can have a look at it.
Okay. What is it all about before I open it?
This document, madam, it was brought and the person was on hurry, so they didn't tell me the exact what they wanted to in the things which are in there.
Okay.
Yes, but they said they are from Dundu company.
Oh, I know. I remember those guys.
Yes, madam.
Oh.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Have a seat. I'll go through it once and then I can see how we can discuss about this, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I need to do some signings and the secretary has to give me some of the documents that they wrote last time.
Sure. I think we can work with this company, madam.
Really?
Yes. I assure you, this is not my first time. I've been hearing about this Dundu company, but I haven't got to see some of the officials.
What do you think is so good about them that I can just pour in my
Okay,
money?
we can discuss with the management.
Okay, good.
All right.
Okay,
I may take my leave.
Okay.
Madam,
Thank you very much.
Fine.
I'll look through this later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have a nice day, please.
Fine.
Where's that?
Yo, meet Emma.
Sorry?
Emma.
Oh, Emma, come in.
Oh, Chris. Yes, tell me. How are you?
How are you?
I'm great.
Long time.
You're good?
Good.
Yeah. How's office?
Not bad.
Yeah.
Oh,
Chris, What's up? What's up?
I'm okay.
You don't look good. What's up?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Are you good? Emma, it's been a while.
Chris, you used not to be like this.
No, I'm okay.
What is the problem? You know, see me. You know, I always know you. When there's problem, that is how you are. I've stayed with you long years.
No, there's nothing. Trust me, I'll be fine. I'll be okay.
I know you'll be fine. But what's up? What is the problem? What is taking you?
Man, life. Things are hard.
Yeah, I know. You know, life is all about always.
Life is stressing from all corners. Man.
But what is it exactly?
My wife.
Wife?
That lady has become a thorn in the flesh.
What's up? What did she do?
A lot of things. It's a big story. Oh, very big story.
Oh,
A long one, if I may say.
tell me. Please tell me.
You're not Jenny.
Yeah, you know Jen, your wife.
Lately, I don't like her behavior. She does weird things. First of all, she reports very late from work. Coming back home around 9 p.m. That's when she comes back. It's so bad. She picks strange calls late in the night. Then we keep wondering what's going on. But this is my wife at home, so it has not been going well with me.
All right, let me tell you one thing. As soon as possible, you stop your wife from working.
Work?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you need to stop her from working. Because if that is the case, you want to have that peace of mind and peace of heart. Stop her from work. Because you remember Flavia?
Oh yeah.
You remember
Your former girlfriend.
you're my former girlfriend. She used to disorganize me like that. But what I did is to stop her and become very hard man. And for now, as I'm talking to you now, she's now good. She's doing everything.
So you mean I should stop her from work?
Yes. If that is the case, because the more you allow her to work there, the more problems that you'll be having. You understand? You see, in life is something hard, but sometimes it is what we make. If it become hard,
You know, she's supposed to do her house duties, but she has not performed as a woman. So she picks those strange calls like I told you. She comes home very late. I come earlier. Most times by 6 I'm already home, but she's not there. So it's really weird.
Oh.
Like I said, I think I buy that idea.
yeah, you need to. But now, Chris, tomorrow we'll have Danny's party, birthday party.
Damn it. How about it?
Yes, our buddy. Danny's birthday is tomorrow actually. Kachilezi Kimugana onzi.
Aye.
Take it on the way on Sunday is ready. Slay mamas, slay queens, slay mamas.
You understand? See?
I know some. So, yes.
Oh yeah, I think I'll be free that time.
Yeah, because
Yeah, that's a good one.
maybe, I didn't see so many. Slay mama, Sura.
Nowadays, you don't find a good woman in such places. But it's okay, I'll come.
No, you don't know, so they give him there for him. You don't know, they give him there for daddy.
Okay.
You check it, I didn't see me Sura. I didn't see that lady. You didn't even see the corner.
Yeah.
You see, at the end, you'll find that you have peace at home.
Yeah, you mean then you have that Sasmalia in Lebanon, another Maria. It's okay.
Now I can relax. Chris.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll come around. It's okay.
Yeah, we need
Thank
to
you so much for the visit. I like what you just said. It's true.
That is it.
I think I just need to stop off from work. I like what you're saying.
I'm telling you.
Thank you so much.
You're the
Thank you for the
man.
courtesy.
You see, I don't want to see you in that position that when you're sad, you're doing everyone. No, every time you know happiness is actually part of life.
Yeah, true.
And that is how we need to keep it.
Thank you so much.
So, Chris, I need to take off. I have some appointment with a business owner of business owners all the way from Pakistan. They're coming, so I'm meeting with them right now.
Oh
Actually,
yeah.
so we'll link up. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much, Emma.
All right, God bless.
Let's link up.
God bless you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jenny? Jenny? It's okay.
Honey, you called for me.
I don't like these your behaviors lately. How many times do you want me to call you?
I'm sorry, I was doing something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a seat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've always wanted us to talk.
Okay.
But you seem to be busy, but it's okay. I've not been fine with you. And it's today that I got this chance. I really want to let you know or bring to your attention that you need to start staying home.
What?
With effect from today.
What do you mean?
Or as soon as immediately.
What do you mean
Don't
I
need to
should
go
stay?
forward.
You can't say that. What's
I'm the
wrong?
final man, and I've said it. Aren't you my wife?
I am, but women work too, you know.
I've said it.
Look, there must be some misunderstanding. So, what did I do wrong, please?
Like I told you, you need to step back home. I can work for the family. And you really have to obey that. Okay? You have to obey that. It's high time you produce for me the children that I need.
But babe, children
We
will
have been
come.
here for a while. Listen to me. We have been here for a while. I need children.
You do know children
Have I made myself very clear?
Okay, sir. But I have to work though, you know.
But I said you can't.
You're being. Okay.
I hope I've made myself very clear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Now, what did I do? It's like, seriously? I have to stop going to work? What did I go to school for? Like, why did I even go to school for? Now I have to have children too? God. What have I ever done to him? I am so sick and tired of this. I'm so sick of this, seriously.
Who's that? Hey, Jenny. Yeah. Come here. Come here. I came home, I didn't find you. Where are you coming from at this time of the day?
Oh, I went to visit a friend.
A friend?
Yeah.
You no longer have ears. What did I tell you? I remember telling you never to leave this house Not even reaching the gate.
I went to Stella's salon.
Stella?
Yeah.
And who brought you back?
Oh, she's the one who dropped me back.
Has Stella changed or converted to be a man? I saw a man opening the door for you of the car.
No. It was Stella.
Be very honest. Is this the Jenny that I know? Don't be stupid.
Calm down.
No. You can't tell me that.
I'm sorry, okay? Calm down.
Who was that?
It was Stella who dropped me back.
Not Stella. I don't like it. Why lie to me?
Oh
Why can't you be very honest to yourself? This is very annoying. When are you going to continue? Up to when? Are you going to continue doing all this?
my God. Why would you do this?
Do it again. You'll see me. Spare me.
What did I do?
The pain I have in my unknown is not worth taking a risk for. You will beat me, attack me, destroy me. My love, I thought we were living harmony. This marriage, no.
All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're right here for, we're actually celebrating a very big birthday for Mr. Danny. This is my friend, Mr. Chris. You're most welcome. I know you dropped in the country yesterday. I was for Mr. Tassi. Mr. Maria, birthday, Amadieri, birthday, Zakiri. We still have more visitors who are still on the way. They'll be joining us right here. And as we're going to celebrate this, you should know 9 Days Movie is actually the one organizing this birthday party for Danny. Let's join hands together. You can raise hands from there. We're doing it together. We're counting from 3 to 0. Raise your hands from there. And then we sing birthday song. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Let's start. Let's start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danny. Happy birthday to you. All right, thank you, everyone. Let's sit down. Let's get down. Thank you.
Have you ever met her before?
Yeah, sure. She's my business partner.
Oh my goodness. I'm lucky.
But good thing is, she's not married.
You've seen how Genius been doing our things. Wow. Genius bored, man.
All right, let me come.
It's okay.
Yes.
Man, I'll be happy for you.
Joanne, you're cool. You're nice. You enjoying the day?
Yeah.
Everything is good? All right. Now, I have my business. No, not really. I have a business partner. His by name is Chris. I wanted you to meet with him right now so that you can discuss more business because, for us, we don't have a lot of time.
Business does he do?
He's doing a lot. Actually, he's based in
Because
USA.
right now I'm candid for me.
I
Like
know.
him to have fun.
Joanne, I'm
You know
telling
me?
you, when you get close to him, you know that your business, because the type of your business and his actually close. So that is right. I wanted to meet him.
Really?
Yeah.
I hope it's gonna be brief.
I'm very brief.
It's alright.
Yeah. You're most welcome. Come and sit with us right here, yeah? Cool. Alright, Chris.
Yes, please.
Meet her.
Emma, thank you so much.
This is John, but I still have something to do a little bit. Let me finish up.
It's okay.
Fast, eh?
It's okay.
All right.
You're welcome. I just heard your name when the MC was. Of course, when you walked in and the MC was saying, John, I was like,
Yeah, that's my name.
How did-
Actually, some people call me Jojo.
okay, Jojo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm called Chris. Others call me Christopher. Like when I'm back home, they call me Christopher.
Oh.
I base in US, but I'm told in Dubai.
Yeah, me too. Bye. Nice to meet you.
Arua should be. Arua is a nice meeting joint, definitely.
It's really
Wow. I've gone through a lot, yeah. But I just want to let you know that you can actually be a good companion to me. I don't know how you feel hearing that. Maybe it's weird.
I'm single, but I don't think
Single? Did I just hear single?
Yeah, I am.
I must thank Daddy for the party. It just connected me to meet somebody single. Of course, I never wanted to meet a married John.
Really? I thought I would just have.
What happened? What happened? Single up to this age?
I'm not seeing anyone. That's what I got to tell you.
Okay.
For now.
But I am
Maybe
single.
with time.
I am single. I am single. And I've been comfortable with it, but no more. Never comfortable now.
We shall
So,
see.
can you be that person?
I can't guarantee.
Guarantee?
I can't.
Emma will tell you more, but I want you to do something.
Okay.
Say it out. Say it out.
I
I love you. By the way, you have a nice smile.
Thank you.
Nice smile.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, baby. Cheers. Jidad, are you okay?
I'm very fine.
I missed you.
I missed you too, dear.
I was thinking of picking you last night, but again I felt, wow, maybe security at home was a bit tight. Was it?
I missed seeing you.
Your lunch is ready. Oh, dining, please. I said lunch is ready. Chris.
From taking care of other men outside. Now you want to take care of my stomach?
Not again. Please. Can we just go and have a peaceful lunch as a family, please? I don't want us to fight, okay? Please.
Since when did my hunger become a problem?
Your hunger is always my problem.
Since when?
You mean I
What
don't...
do you mean by always?
And you said I don't...
Can't you see I'm for my own business?
I know you're hungry, right? But can we just go and have lunch? And then you can start all this drama. Please.
Take care of your hunger as I do mine, please.
I made lunch for two, so you...
Don't get me angry.
Please, let's go for lunch. I have already made lunch. If I don't take lunch, you will say I did not... My God. Please, I beg you.
Boring woman. Jinga.
What did I do now?
Ekumaza.
My God.
What's up today?
Rastaman, you look
yeah,
nice.
That's me.
But
what's up today?
I'm okay.
You look cool. You happy?
I'm happy.
Secret behind this?
I love you.
Oh my God.
Everything.
Everything is
Oh,
fine.
you look nice.
Yeah, true. But you more than me.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Man.
What's up?
I'm okay.
Why are you happy?
Exactly.
What has made you happy? Oh, Secretary, how are you? How are you, bro? Yeah.
Your eyes are too much.
No, not really.
Okay.
When somebody works well, that is our culture, you know.
It's okay, I get you.
Yes.
Hey. No.
Chris,
Yeah.
why are you happy?
Man.
Let me know that secret.
No, you know, God is the best God. There is no any other God that has.
I saw you arranging your office.
Yeah,
Wow.
I've not been around for
Yeah.
like the past 2 weeks. I've not been around. Since the other time after the party, I said I had to come.
Okay.
Just go to my brother.
Oh. Oh, great. That
Yes.
is great. That is great. How's your wife?
That thing you call
That's it? Your wife, yes.
why can't you forget things? Why can't you forget things?
What? Your wife?
Did you just call somebody my wife?
Okay.
Unless if you're talking about the latest leader.
Hey. Oh my God. Tell me.
So, okay.
Who's that?
It's a big story. You remember the day we had fun? That is bad.
Hey, I remember. John.
Oh my goodness, you are the bravest if there's a one like
John.
that.
my God, that lady is so pretty. I'm telling you. And the way also I saw you mingling yourself around, I said, oh my God, my brother is going to be in things. You know.
I need to pay you for what you did to me.
Trust really, you don't need to pay me, my brother.
Never happened to my life. So, everyone is okay. She's making up for one. Okay. She does what everyone is supposed to do.
Chris!
She's proving.
Wait, Chris!
I told you last time.
Yeah.
Everything you tell me what.
Oh my God.
What you told me, I remember you told me about Jeff.
Yes.
What exactly? Actually, you gave me strategy to stop her from someone.
Yes.
It worked.
So now you're managing.
You are the best brother.
Now you're managing every situation at home.
Man, things have changed.
You know, as men, we need to be like that. Because sometimes if you leave also too much freedom at home for your wife, you see, sometimes that is what exactly happens to us. Yeah.
I think I gave her too much freedom to things, but immediately after I told her about things changed. But I can tell you, John is mashing things up. She's the best thing ever to happen.
Okay,
Assuming that I missed out on Danny's birthday, trust me.
am I Mungu now before? Okwa last. Alright, man. But the mom, I need to move. Right now, you remember all of my issues are just business. Yeah, but in the evening, we need to sit out and
I was actually informed. I don't know if you're aware that we're supposed to have some fun.
Yes. Yeah, we're supposed to. Yeah, because you know that's actually our party place, and yeah, I know tonight you're John. No, now you're not getting together.
She has become my all-time companion. So good.
All time. We still got that top. Me on phone bank. I didn't see what.
Oh, wait on.
Hey, okay. Nice meeting you, my brother. Yeah, Oleka. Yeah, I need to. Bless you.
Joan, you're the best thing that ever has happened to my life. I've been farming the...
Stella dear, you're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm so glad that you came today.
It's really been a long time. I said, yes, let me come and visit you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, my bad. Should I get you something to drink?
Not really.
Come on, I would feel very tired.
No, stop it. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what's that? How is work, by the way?
Work is fine, but we're missing you a lot.
I'll just take a break for a while. I'll be back anytime.
Is it really a break?
I don't know, my sister. It's kind of hard to tell. It's very hard to tell. With home and my husband, my God, man has been very different. He's no longer the same man I got married to. The man has changed completely. He has turned me into his punching bag. The food I cook is rubbish. Everything I do is just wrong. He leaves home, he comes back very late. And I cannot say anything about it. When I try to complain, even his duty as a man, he can no longer do them.
Seriously?
Yeah. I do not know what to do.
And just you sit there watching only.
What do I do? He's my husband. He married me.
It's your husband that you have to react. At least you have to say something.
My sister leave me. I tried that one. The last time I tried talking to him, you can't imagine what he did to me. It was written blue black. You know blue.
So
you're welcome. Let me go and prepare his dinner before I get eaten alive. I will see you around. I'll see you around, okay? Alright.
Alright.
Bye bye.
I will call you.
Alright.
Take heart. Eh?
Okay.
Things are like that.
Let me see you.
Okay.
What was it about?
What was that discussion about? I had my name.
No, we're not,
I had my name.
we're
You have
not
started.
discussing about you.
Okay, what was it about?
Oh, it was all about work, okay?
Work?
Yeah.
Am I the CEO? I had my name. Yes.
Chris, I don't want problems, okay? I'm tired.
You are already in problems. Don't say you don't want problems.
I'm tired.
You're creating problems, in fact.
I'm tired of being beaten, okay?
Who is she? Who is she?
Let's tell her.
Have a seat. When will you ever stop all this? How many times do you want to hear enough is enough?
You know what?
Asami sasa.
You know what?
What should I do?
I am
Give me an option.
I am sick and tired of it. You know what?
Sick and tired, but not dead yet.
I'm done living with you. I'm done doing your chores. I'm done cooking for you. I am done cleaning your shit up, okay?
And you have never done all this in this house.
You stopped me from work.
I don't like your food.
You
I don't like seeing you doing things because
You
you're a
do not
stupid
like
woman.
anything I do,
You are a
okay?
stupid woman, so I can't take any nonsense that you do. Yes.
You know what? I've had enough of you, okay? I have had it with you.
Do what is right, let me see. I want to have some freedom in my house.
I am sick and tired of you torturing me in this home. As if I do not have my parents' home. I cook for you. I do your laundry. I clean. I do everything. You stopped me from working. You stopped me from going to my friends. You stopped me from doing everything and I did the exact thing. And now, you still treat me like a rubbish. You know what? I had it with you.
Thank you for the words of freedom. Finally, I'm fine.
It is okay.
I've been set free. I'm okay with it.
Let's all regret that.
Thank you. Right decision. Stupid woman.
Yeah, Chris.
Yes, man.
Man, I'm still thinking about the day we met in Dubai. Remember that day?
Last year?
Yes.
Man, it was fun. Are we not supposed to have a trip there once again?
No, very soon. I know because I have a business trip or so. I'll pass through Dubai.
Yeah.
Because I want to go to Brazil.
Okay.
Because I've seen that a lot of business right there.
Oh, I met your friend, the other guy with whom we also met in Dubai.
Oh,
yeah, I met him at the airport. He was even telling me, I hear you have a business in South America, that's Dubai, right? I mean, Brazil, right?
Brazil, yeah.
Oh, what are you doing there?
I have a business of actually transporting vehicles to Africa.
Okay.
I do business with the Ugandan government also, and then also Congo.
Okay.
You know, I've joined actually, let me say East Africa.
Okay.
Up to parts of West Africa.
Oh, yeah.
I supply them with beautiful, strong cars.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that must be a great one.
Yeah.
You know, I got a similar project like this, but I hope you have done a good feasibility study because most times in such business you can easily have to land on tips by the
No, but the ones I got recently, as we're talking right now, they're at the border, at the port. I'm supposed to send somebody to go and pick them and then bring them to the country.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you have to be careful because
No, you're like it's it. They are manusuri. I go to Skava Kungulusi, Mavere Gbaunde. It's going to be a sort of natural.
Your less of me to
Your man, you're Guneko. I will come up with Kungulusi, Kungulumane, Sujoro.
But I think if this business thrives well, chances are high that I might actually join you because right now I operate more in Switzerland. I also have a similar business there, but I think I was already thinking of transferring.
But now, Chris.
Yes.
I remember I did tell you that we have birthday, some birthday around the town, the city tonight. Are you ready to come with us?
Whose birthday today?
The birthday is going to be for some beautiful chick. Okay. The one I told you about.
Oh yeah. Oh, the other lady.
Yeah, the one I met you with in Dubai.
Okay.
Is actually celebrating birthday today.
Okay.
So
where is it going to be?
Are you good to come with me? 7. Exactly.
Yeah, but I guess 7 will find me down
here. Yes. Because you remember. Also, you need to get those ones. You remember?
Oh yeah, man.
Is that the Hey, and then got to go.
Baba is a good lady. Only that I think that to tell a man who's a Somalia. Yeah, I don't there in Nairobi. So, Sassy, that I can Nairobi. I can't see. You have another salve.
There is Sarah.
Yes. When are people arriving? Yeah, but how? So you're still in Kajukeji? No, you leave the tipper lorry there. What's wrong with you? I send the Nakido. A family send the Naki. Send that the careful Kumia sit of Oko, Msane, Ma, Diliana Kenara, Dolara, send the Naki, but instead of Utisibo. Yes. Yes. Odoto asio. No matter o mutu ba yara te andre bama ni okira matia as if they still have a plan, eh? Yeah, they may reschedule the annual general meeting, so it will take me 1 more week to be around. Yes. It's okay, don't mind. I have a lot of money. It's okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Na mat Cedrica. Diki tobi adoro. Jenny.
Yes, honey.
Yeah, mom. What is this?
Oh, I was going to get water. That's your food.
No. What is this? Not water. What do I need water for?
Drinking water and juice.
I drink on top of what?
Your dinner.
This one?
Yeah, I got you.
What is wrong with you? Is this what I'm supposed to eat in this my own house? Honestly?
Oh my God. What is wrong with you?
Very annoying and stupid woman. It took
me time to make that food. Seriously.
Look at
what is
yourself.
wrong with you?
Look what you've done to me. I'm only myself. I feel myself for me. Tell me, Angel Luma.
How much is this t-shirt?
Yeah, the figures are less at 25,000.
Well, I like this one. This one, get for me this one now.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you have her.
Oh, Mikey.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Stella?
That's what I'm doing. Here you go.
I came to check clothes for Christmas to my brother.
That's nice. Oh, I came to check on Mike before going to the market.
Hey, long time.
Yeah. Oh, go. Have a seat.
Might first have this.
Thank you.
What's up? You're looking all good, you know?
Thanks. You too, you look gorgeous.
I'm trying, my sister. I'm trying.
Who's this now?
That one. Trust me. It's just a long story now.
Hey, long story.
The same old me, the same old him. Trust me, it's just the same. He does not change. As I said, I'm still his punching. I had to get another phone. You're good. You're looking so good. Maybe it's life. But anyway, I came to check on Mike. Mike, how are you doing?
I'm good.
And
you?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
How is the boutique doing?
Yes, we're trying, but
Okay. It's been long. I said let me cross-check on you before I go to the market.
not so good. I've been missing you here. Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
I pray for you. The business should do well.
yeah. You will be.
Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. My husband used to shop at his place. Aww. He's here. We should promote him. The guy he has good collections. Oh, by the way, Stella, I have to rush right now before the monster comes and finds me when I'm not home. I have to rush to the market and then go prepare dinner and stuff. Okay? If I am not phone at home, you know what happens next? I am a toasted fish. So please, I have to go, okay? Alright, see you. See you around, okay?
See you.
Give me a call, please.
Alright, I'll give you.
Okay.
Okay, Mike. I think I want to check the other side also, Susan. Okay.
Hey, what is wrong with you? Hey, look. Okay, can you make that snack?
What is it? Please allow me have my night.
Hey, come on. It's just... Come on. Okay, just one tiny bit. Okay.
It's already late. I have work to do in the morning.
We all have things to do. Yeah. Hey, what the hell is wrong with you? Why did you marry me for? In fact, why am I even married to you? Are we not married? Okay, fine. If you don't wanna, okay, just, you know what? I don't know what's wrong with you, and you've been behaving weirdly, okay? Spare you what? Allow me to have my time too. I got married to you, right? Why? Okay, why did you marry me in the first place?
I'm my wife, so
So,
allow me have my night.
you're even the one who even talks about having kids, and right now you're here. You, just there. What? Are you even a man? I'm talking to you. Chris! I said I'm talking to you.
But Jimmy, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, I want
Can't
you.
you allow me have my night?
Yeah, I want you. Get up.
This is already an ungodly time.
Just-
Please allow me have my time. What's
Alright,
wrong with
fine. I'm your wife. Do
You're
whatever
my
you're
wife,
supposed
but
to do
so-
to me. What is... Seriously, you're not being fair to me. Chris, honey.
What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Can't you allow me have my night? I told you I have work to do in the morning. What's wrong with you? This is not the first time you're doing this. Touch me again. Let me leave this room for you.
What did I...
Very stupid
Okay, fine.
woman.
You can sleep. Please, don't.
Can't you allow me have my night? Honestly, this is not the first time, like I told you. I'm fed up.
You want kids,
You're
right?
not going to continue with this.
I thought you wanted kids. So what is wrong with you?
Is this how you get the kids? Spoiling my nights?
Okay, fine. Whatever.
What if I don't work tomorrow? Will you have food on your table? No. I can't take this anymore.
You didn't marry me here to give me money.
Jenny, I can't take this anymore. Okay? I can't.
What is wrong with you?
Very foolish.
Come
woman.
over you.
Don't do this with me. Okay? I'm tired. You just like that.
Chris, I'm sorry, okay?
Can't you allow me have a peace in my house?
I said I'm sorry.
Did you come with
seriously.
this house? Did you come with this room?
Okay.
Take the bed and we see what happens. What's wrong with you?
Where do you think you're going?
No. Leave me alone. Okay? Allow me have my peace. Okay? Please, don't let me lose it for you. And I'm going to do it. Okay? Stupid woman.
Chris, I'm sorry.
You can't be sorry. This is not the first time. No. It's not.
Chris,
Remember,
I'm married to you, right?
So?
What's the meaning of this? Well, okay, where are you going? Where are you going, for crying out loud? It's late. Stay.
Don't talk to me. Please.
Come on.
Don't talk to me.
Hey,
This can't continue like this.
go.
No, leave me alone.
Stay. Please, stay.
Please.
What did I do
I
now?
wanted kids, but is it 3 a.m. when we're supposed to get it? No!
But I was...
We can't continue like this. No. I can't take this anymore. Trust me.
Please don't go. Please.
I'm regretting why I had to choose you. Of all the beautiful ladies I dated.
What the hell? What is wrong with you? Do whatever you want to do, okay? Fine. Go wherever you want to go. I don't care. Whatever. Do whatever you want to do. Go. Go. Oh my God. What did I get myself into? What kind of a marriage is this? What kind of a man is that? And where do you think you're going? You have failed your responsibilities as a man and you're moving out, huh? Why would I talk to you?
Son.
What is your problem? Please, my problem, You stopped me from working. Yeah, I did as you wanted. You stopped me from seeing my friend. Even you picked my phone. You wanted me to stay a married woman, cook for you, I wash for you, I clean the house. What else do you want? You cannot give me my...
To disturb my life?
I can't have my rights, right?
Unsafe.
Whatever. Go wherever you want to go, okay? I don't care. I don't care. What kind of a man are you? Are you even a man enough? Who cannot even do his own responsibilities?
Let's see what will happen to your next husband.
What? What does that even mean? Chris.
Allow him have sleepless nights and see if he continues.
Chris!
Stupid.
Where are you going? Fine! Go! Please! Oh, God. So you're back. Oh my God. Oh, I thought you... Hey! I've done everything I have, right? I have stayed home. I left work. I cooked. I cleaned. But still, not even this. There is nothing I do that makes him happy. There is nothing I literally do that is right. What am I not doing right? What am I doing wrong? Seriously. I'm too tired. I'm too tired of it. My head is busted. I've run out of options. What do I do?
I don't see.
I haven't even known.
I don't see. I don't see. I don't deserve this at all. I don't see. I don't see. I don't see. I don't deserve this. I don't see. I don't see. I don't see. I don't deserve this. that Chandiru has off. Bad Brown. He comes sicker. Josh Picture.
Yes, Jenny. Oh, good morning, my daughter. I'm fine. Mom is fine. Mom is fine. Yeah. How is everyone at home? Papa is not around. Yeah, he left last night, but he'll be coming back over the weekend. I hope you're fine, baby. I hope you're fine. You're not fine. What could be the problem, my daughter? What? What has come over this guy? No, don't tell me that is how he's greeting you. What? He even boxes you. Jesus Christ. What? Does he drink? Or what? What could be the problem? It's okay, it's okay. I'm just going somewhere to meet a friend. I might pass by and check on you, but please calm down, calm down. I know he loves you. Something might be wrong somewhere, which is somewhere, but I know he loves you so much. Yeah, I'll check on you, okay? Okay, my baby. Love you. Love you so much, darling.
Oh, honey, you're back. Welcome back.
Must I be welcomed every time I come home?
Did I do something wrong?
Whom are you talking to?
I was talking to Mom, and by the way, she says hi.
Does your mom have a phone? Since when?
Of course, my mom.
Stupid woman, you're still a liar.
What is wrong?
I thought you changed. Look at yourself. Be very honest. I've
had enough of you.
I'm losing it.
Please.
I'm losing it.
I am tired of this marriage, okay?
Tell the truth.
I'm telling
Who
you
are you
that I
talking
said
to?
my mother called. What is wrong with you?
Can you imagine?
Do I kill myself because of this marriage that you don't understand?
Don't talk to me like
Please,
that.
don't.
Do you know who you're talking
Stop
to?
it. Don't touch me.
Do you know who you're talking to?
Don't touch me, please.
Is it this phone that you're
Oh my
disrespecting me for?
What is
it
wrong
this
with you?
phone? Okay.
I'm very sick and tired of you.
The phone is there.
You're crazy.
The pain I have in my unknown is not worth taking a risk for. You will beat me, attack me, destroy me. My love, my love. I thought.
Excuse me, baby. What is happening? Where are you going? You don't look fine. You're not supposed to say anything. We're supposed to stay in the house.
Well,
where are you going? We need each other.
Need what?
You need me, I need you, baby.
You need you. Well, Mr. Gentleman, the puncher, right? Call you puncher, wife beater. Let me tell you something you didn't know. Women get fed up of this and that. So now, I am fed up. By the way, you'd have papers on the table. I've signed. Make sure you sign.
Don't say that.
Don't even.
Baby,
Not
need
a
each
word
other.
from you.
No, baby, I'm sorry.
I don't see, I don't see, I don't see, I don't deserve this. I don't see, I don't see, I don't see, I don't deserve this. But look what you've done to me. I'm gonna be my city. I feel my city for a minute. Tell me Angeluma, me yo jama ambu aga I just relay. I don't see, I don't see, I don't see, I don't deserve this at all. I don't see, I do see I don't deserve this. I do see I don't deserve this. Na 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 na.